Hello world, how are you? You know, there are plenty of people who are making video blogs on the subjects of polyglotism, and they are speaking multiple languages, and they're trying to explain how to teach them, how to learn them. They give me some tips, advices, and I would also like to start a blog, but the biggest purpose is to use a language in a speech, to make a dialogues with other cultures. So I'm going to make videos in various languages later to discuss different topics, and I would like also to hear your opinions to make a full connection. So let me start with the first topics that I had in my head. I'd like to talk about globalization. I'd like to talk. Yeah, probably you'll be kind of interested that I'm talking right now in English, or how is it called nowadays, in Globish, and I think it's kind of boring sometimes. I mean, I would like myself to use a third language to speak with somebody, like if we don't know each other's mother tongues, so we can use a third language, another than English, and I think that's more interesting, more funny, and it's kind of widening scopes. Yeah, and I think that nowadays more people have no choice, or they think that they don't not have no choice. They are selecting English as the only foreign language, and I think that is not very nice. Not only with language, I would like to give some examples, some small examples. Some years ago, maybe some 10 or 15 years ago, when the phone started to come out to be mobile, we had some different phones. We had different brands. For example, like this Nokia, the most famous brand. They had different form factors. They had different shapes, different colors. They had different functions. Yeah, you see, like this. They could be sliding. They could be normal. They could be also opening like that, and they were really stylish accessories, along with being the communicators. And now I think that the choice is narrowed to this. I mean, you have this kind of phone, iPhone, yeah, everybody knows it probably, in two colors, black and white, and basically most of the phones that are being produced nowadays are of the same form factor. It's just a big screen, yeah, and plenty of people don't even use most of the functions that iPhone can provide us with. They are just using it for calling, and because it's kind of stylish and respectful to have such a expensive phone. And I don't know, I don't think that is nice, even though I'm also a lame user of one of these iGadgets. Just that we have only iPhone 5 and Samsung Galaxy S3, I think it's kind of freaky that now we are having the same phones. We are going to the same chains of coffee places. We are going to the same restaurants or cafes, and that's kind of scaring. I think that's a bit scaring. And for example, also something that is really, I think, curious, that men, I'm not talking about women, men basically have only one option. When they need to show up somewhere, they would inevitably suit up, and that's the only way for them to dress themselves. Yeah, you can talk about some colors or shapes, but mainly it's a suit, with a shirt, with a tie, and I mean, we had and still have some really nice traditional suits, traditional dresses, and you will be able to see some of them if you click on the links below. And I think the variety of these cultures would have been better for us. I mean, I think that globalization has gone really far than it should be, and that is, yeah, that is also the subject that I would like to hear your opinions on. So, yeah, thank you very much that you listened to me. I would be really glad to hear your responses on this topic, and hope to see you soon. And bye.